Okay, let us start solving the problem number 26 here. Right, Ritu has 1/4 of a sack of rice. She divides the rice equally into 7 bags. What fraction of the full sack of rice is in each bag? Right, it is simple, a fraction problem, right? It's very simple one. Right, here, so she divides the rice equally into 7 bags. What fraction of the full sack of rice is in each bag? That is what we are supposed to find. Rice in, let us check out, rice in 7 bags. It is going to be 1/4. Right, now rice in each bag, that is what we need to find. Rice in each bag is equal to 1/4, right, into 1/7, which is going to be 1/28. So this is the answer A.